Welcome back to the Edulexis Python course. Today is a milestone. We are moving into Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP. This is the foundation of professional software development. Until now, we've used procedural programming, which is like a strict recipe list. OOP changes this to thinking in terms of objects and their behaviors, making complex code much easier to manage. Imagine you're designing a house. You draw a blueprint first. In Python, that blueprint is a class. It defines everything a house should have: walls, windows, and doors. Now, imagine building actual houses using that blueprint. You could build 100 houses. Each one is a unique object. They follow the blueprint but have different colors, addresses, or owners. Let's look at the code. We use the class keyword. Note the naming convention: always start class names with a capital letter, like class car. This helps distinguish them from simple functions. Every object needs to be born with specific data. We use the __init__. Method. Think of this as the setup phase that runs automatically the moment you create an object. The term self confuses many beginners. Simply put, self is the placeholder that tells Python, I am talking about this specific object. Instance I just created. When we write my_car equals car, we are instantiating. We are taking the theoretical class and turning it into a concrete object that lives in our computer's memory. Attributes are just variables belonging to an object. Inside our car class, we might have attributes like brand, model, and color. These describe the state of the object. Classes aren't just containers for data. They perform actions. We call these methods. A class might have a method called drive or break. Let's write code together. We'll define a dog class. It needs attributes like a name and breed, and a method to make the dog bark. We'll create two dog objects, Buddy and Luna. You'll see how they both share the same blueprint but hold completely different information about their names and breeds. Why go through all this effort? Because OOP allows for encapsulation, keeping data and logic bundled together, which prevents bugs and makes your code reusable. Watch out for these, forgetting to include self in your method parameters, or missing the indentation after the colon. These are the most common reasons why your code won't run. You now know the difference between a class and an object. Practice creating a student or bookie class on your own. Next session, we cover inheritance. Happy coding with Edulexis.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.